Hey everybody, Judah here. I'm doing a little project here that I'm doing a little project here that I've been planning on doing for quite a while. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach a cap screw onto this clamp so that I can clamp it on stuff and then put my tripod head on it, and then I'll be able to put my camera on a bunch of different spots quick. Drill. So now I'm using what we call a step bit, and I drilled basically a pilot hole, and now I'm making the hole bigger. So now I've actually got to switch it out because the camera's on the tripod head, so I'll switch it out and I'll show you guys what's going on. So this is the final product. As you can see, I've got the tripod head attached to my clamp. I'm really happy with it. Now I'll be able to put my camera anywhere I want. I'm super excited about it. Cheers.